everything put back together. This will be the final test. Let's see if she starts. New valves, replace the bent ones. Got the heads put in with new head gaskets. The alternator is not hooked up right now. I'm just going to be trying to jump this off the battery. The coolant still needs to be filled up, and the oil, there's just enough in there that I'm not worried about it. But if this start is successful, we're going to take everything back apart, buy a new timing belt set, timing belt kit. I'll replace the intake manifold gaskets, and just make sure everything is up to par. First, I want to see if she starts. There's no exhaust on it. It's going to be loud. She runs. You need to hook up the exhaust, get the O2 sensors hooked back up, take everything back off, new timing kit, fill the radiator, put everything else back together. But oh, success.